Yes, you can start with the presentation.
Welcome to the computational myself, Vishal Rasar, and my other Kini and Saurav Hadpe. And we are going to perform an experiment 7, that is, install and use a security app on an Android device. Moving to an introduction, before knowing about the app, we have to know and what is an encryption. Basically, when the two computers want to communicate with each other while sending it, they want to send an information data. So via through a network, that data is going to be hidden by doing an encryption. Let's us see. An encryption is a method by which information is converted into secret code that hides the information true meaning. Encryption has been a long-standing way for sensitive information to be protected. In modern times, encryption is used to protect data stored on computers and storage device as well as data in transmit over network. Example, the science of encrypting and decrypting information is called cryptography. Basically, in cryptography, the information is going to hide behind the data. Means data is hidden behind the data. When one computer wants to send the data, so for example, if you want to send a message, so that message is going to be hidden behind the image, but in an encrypted form, so that the attacker won't be able to come to know what the message is because of an encryption. Let's moving further. Before knowing about the security app, we have to know why we should use this security app in your device. There are some points which has been written here. For securing the device, for encryption of data, to stop unauthorized access, to prevent personal information, to defend from digital fraud. As we know that number of users in the today's world increasing day by day, as there is an increase in mobile users, their personal information has also increased. The main point is in information that they are not getting secured anyhow. The attacker may attack the system by gaining unauthorized access and modifies the data or make misuse of the data, grabbing user informations like current location, banking information, personal information, and much more for different purposes. Because of this, there should be a need of a security app for protecting this data from the attacker. This security app protects our file from misuse by doing encryption on that data. This security app is in mobile device different from the frauds in the form of malware, hacking, and other criminal manipulation. Moving further, here are some list of an security app. The following app will help you to protect your device from online identity and security threats. Here are some listed the app names. From that, for the demonstration purpose, we are going to demonstrate the Decrypto app, and in the information about the Decrypto app will be explained by Salinkini in further slides.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself Saili. So generally talking about Decrypto app, Decrypto is an application that provides a range of encryption and decryption tools. It supports almost 25 traditional ciphers which are implemented such as Caesar code, ASCII code and etc. And there is an explanation, a short history provided with each type of encryption to better understand them. If you have encrypted message but you do not know the type of cipher used, the application can try to decrypt the message for you. Indeed, tools allow you to test all the different types of cipher and display the possible result based on dictionary. In Decrypto app, there is a frequency analysis tool also which is available, in which you can know exactly the number of occurrence of each letter in the encrypted text and also replace each letter of encrypted message by most likely letters. You can also save your encrypted message to view them later or share them with your friends. Moving further, here are some of the screenshots of our app where the first GUI shows the encrypt and decrypt of a text file. We can encrypt and decrypt a document also, and there is a frequency analysis tool present. As I said, there are 25 different traditional cipher present, which among there are binary cipher, numerical code, reverse code and etc. Moving towards the future of the Decrypto app. Generally, Decrypto app is very recursive and it is fast and efficient for encryption and decryption of entire folder or individual file. It encrypts text, PDF, documents or any content, and the encryption is and decryption of the file are possible on internal as well as external SD card also. And it supports a frequency analysis tool to know exactly the number of occurrence of each letter in the encrypted text. And it supports hash function and 25 traditional cipher. Next. Application of the decrypto app is it is first is end-to-end encryption. It is a method of secure communication that prevents third party from accessing data while transfer from one end device to another. Second application is for secure communication. Third application is password protected file. The encrypted file which we are going to encrypt to this app will be protected by password. Fourth application is storing secret information. Advantage of Decrypto app is generally it is fast for data encryption and decryption. It secures data through password, so integrity is maintained. Also, data authenticity is also present, and it encrypt and decrypt large amount of data. Next, let's begin with the demonstration now, which will be continued by Saurabh.
Uh, okay, so to install the Decrypto app on our Android phone, first we need to go to the Play Store and search here in the search bar Decrypto. Now, after hitting an enter button, now you will see the list of an application. Choose one with another appropriate logo. Now, after clicking on that logo, you will see an install button. Now, as I already installed, then there is only two options: uninstall and open. Now, let's open. Now, when you open the application for the first time, it will be asked some permission to you about the storage management and all. So give that permission. Now, as a Siley said, there are the lots of applications such as encryption, decryption, encrypt file, and all. Now, after clicking on another three bar icon, you will see another list of options which we can go through further. Now, if I want to encrypt another message in another text format, then I simply go to an encrypt. Now here you can see there are the list of another code which are given to encrypt the particular message. Now if I want to encrypt another message in more secure format, then there is one option which is another secure. Now here you will see there are the four methods to secure to encrypt another message in another secure format. Now suppose I want to encrypt another message in another binary code, then simply I need to tap on the binary code. Now in the UI you will see there are the three main sections. First one is a message. Here you need to type another message which you need to encrypt. Then there is an encrypt button. Tap on this button to encrypt the message. And the third one is an encrypted message where the message comes in another encrypted format. Now let's type I am XYZ person. Now if I want to encrypt this message in another binary format, I simply need to tap on another encrypt button. Now, after clicking on an encrypt button, you will see there are the message which you want to encrypt. It comes in another binary format. Now, long tap on the screen, select all, and copy. Then go back. Now, if I want to decrypt the same message, then what should I do? Then I simply go to an decrypt. Now, here one thing you need to keep in another mind that if you are encrypting another message in another particular code, then you need to decrypt that message in another similar code. So here I need to decrypt the message in another binary code. Now, tap on binary code. Now, here in the message, long tap on the screen, and there is another paste option. Now, after pasting another message, click on a decrypt. Now, after clicking on a decrypt button in the decrypted message, you will see there is an option. There is a message comes with another I am XYZ person. Now, this message has been decrypted. Now, suppose if I want to decrypt another message in another format, like another Playfair cipher. Now, as we have already studied another Playfair cipher, there is need of another key up in the receiver and sender end. So, suppose I want to encrypt another same message. I am XYZ person. Now, here you need to give another key. Suppose I have given key 1234. Now, click on another encrypt button. Now, you will see in an encrypted message, the message has been encrypted. Now, select all, then copy. Now, if I want to decrypt another message, simply I am going to decrypt, then choose the same code or the method which I have chosen for encrypt. Now, here in the message, paste that message. Now here you need to give another same key which I have given at the time of another encryption. Now simply click on a decrypt. Now you can see I am XYZ person has been decrypted. Yeah. So there are the another list of another what we can say methods such as an AIS, ASCII, then binary code, etc. Now. So hence we have successfully performed install and use of a security app experiment on our phone. Thank you.